Well, it has been another hot and humid day across the area, and storms did fire up in that afternoon. Heat and humidity, at least in areas along and south of Highway 60. Here's a live look right now. Folks enjoying area lakes. You can see at Ozark, we're looking south-southwest, and in downtown Springfield, also looking south-southwest. And in both of those images, we're seeing the same thing. We are seeing the tops of thunderstorms down in northern Arkansas, and you can see those storms continue to plow south down toward I-40. Some of these are severe warned, coming with a risk of damaging winds and maybe even some large hail up to at least quarter size. Also looking at a severe storm which is developed near the Tulsa area in this afternoon heat and humidity. The storms locally in our area, you can see across Newton County, we've still got a pretty good cluster here between Jasper and Deer. It will continue to again push. Generally, southeast is the direction that the individual storms are moving, but the line itself is dropping toward the south, and it looks like we've got probably some small hail, maybe up to dime size southwest of Jasper with that one particular thunderstorm. Looking at conditions right now, you can see earlier today we did have a severe thunderstorm watch which extended north into southern Missouri. This portion of the watch has been trimmed out, and I think we could probably take this northern tier of Arkansas counties out of that severe thunderstorm watch as the boundary continues to press toward the south. And yes, it's still very humid in the wake of this boundary, but what will happen is tonight through tomorrow, winds are going to be blowing out of the northeast. And over time, we're going to blow out this high humidity. We're going to blow the summer muggies out of the area. And we'll first notice it in our eastern counties, but I think the entire area will benefit from this once we get to Tuesday night and Wednesday. And that opens the door also for some cooler overnight lows. Looking at this evening's forecast, our model data running a little bit slow, but it gives you the general idea. Storms which have lined up here across northern Arkansas will continue to push south away from the area. So I think in terms of maybe like the Jasper area, we're looking at maybe another 45 minutes to an hour of severe weather risk. And then that'll be it. And the rest of the night looks quiet with mostly clear skies. For tomorrow, I think we'll find mostly sunny and generally quiet weather. Now, there's still going to be a bit of a boundary moving through. There's still going to be some humidity, so I can't completely rule out an isolated shower, but most areas will remain dry. Temperatures tonight, you can see there's a bit of a range, and it's because of that dry air working in. 62 in Raleigh, 66 in Springfield, high tomorrow of about 83. Looking ahead to tomorrow night, if you like cooler temperatures here as we get into the summer season, they become more of a rare thing. Yeah, we got to take them when we can get them. It looks like a pleasantly cool start to Wednesday with morning lows in the 50s. And then Wednesday we'll have afternoon highs around 80, maybe into the low 80s. Winds will be light out of the east and skies will be bright. Looks like a beautiful June day. On Thursday, still looks very nice. The morning pleasantly cool, the afternoon pleasantly warm, but a little warmer than Wednesday. Highs in the low to mid 80s across the area. We will keep humidity levels low through Thursday and Thursday night, and then the humidity comes back. And along with the higher humidity, we're going to see an increase in thunderstorm chances. And the reason why is some unsettled weather, a pocket of unsettled weather moving out of northern Mexico will move northeast across the middle of the country, and it will bring a stormier pattern back to the area. Rain chances ramp up starting Friday, and they remain elevated through the weekend into early next week. And out of this pattern, I do expect some locally heavy rainfall and the possibility of some localized flooding and lightning. Also, I can't rule out a few severe storms. But again, I think the big story is going to be that risk of heavy rainfall. Notice, too, with the increase in humidity, those warmer overnight lows return with overnight lows back in the upper 60s over the weekend. The afternoon highs, though, getting dialed back a little bit because of the increase in cloud cover and wet weather. And while it is a stormier forecast this upcoming weekend, Mike, it doesn't mean that there won't be some sunshine. It's just be ready for the storms, similar to what we had back on Saturday.
I was going to say, yeah, if you were in Springfield, it looked like it was about to come to an end, as dark as it was. Just a lot of rain, but nothing really terrible though out of it.
Yeah, it was, and we did have some sun on Saturday, but yeah, that round of storms that came into Springfield, I think it was probably about 6 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah.
Pretty ominous.
Scary looking. Yeah. All right, thank you.